Hey guys, I'm going to shoot a quick video here. Let's say you have a knife, right? I did a video on a Smith's 3-in-1 sharpener. Well, your knife is dull, right? So you're gonna on this type of a sharpener, you would try to reset your blade. We're gonna go over blade angles, and then you would use this to pretty much fine tune your blade. But let's say you see these are set at 23 and 23 degrees. Let's say you didn't have these rods and you were just using the diamond sharpener. Without the rods. Pretend these didn't exist. Okay. Here's your blade on a knife. Let's say this was a kitchen knife. The blade angle, right, would be 32 degrees on a kitchen knife. That means one side of the blade is set for 16 degrees and the other side of the blade is going to be at 16 degrees. So that's on a kitchen knife. On a folding pocket knife like this, pretty much your blade angle is going to be 40 degrees. So 20 on one side, 20 on another. On a lot of knives that are fixed blade and like bushcraft knives, some of them are 23 degrees. They're not as some bushcraft knives could be more, depending on the manufacturer. You could find that out. You could find that in the specs. But let's say a regular survival knife or a hunting knife. That's pretty much 46 degrees. So it'll be 23 degrees on one side and 23 degrees on the other side. So let's recap this. Kitchen knife would have 16 and 16. A folding knife would have 20 and 20. And a hunting knife should have 23 and 23. So the rods were set at 23 on this Smith 3-in-1 sharpener. But let's say you got a diamond stone and you don't know, is this 16 degrees? Is this 23 degrees? You don't know, and you just want to use something to gauge that angle that you're going to be sharpening your knife with. Well, I say use a post-it note. Okay, post-it note is 90 degrees. This angle here is 90 degrees. When you fold the post-it note, it becomes 45 degrees. Okay, so now this angle here is 45 degrees. Fold it one more time, and this angle becomes 22.5 degrees. So now you almost got a 23-degree angle. You're splitting hairs on this. So here's your 23-degree angle. So when you sharpen your knife, you would put it right here at the point. Let's say we start here at the edge. You would put it right here, fold it back and rest it on this, right? And then just move forward with it, and that's your 23-degree angle. Now this is a folding knife, so it has a 40-degree angle, so it's 20 and 20 on one side, but I reset this to 23. I didn't like it that sharp. I just wanted it a little bit duller because I was cutting bone, and that's pretty much 23 degrees. So you go on this side. The sharper the angle, the lower the angle, let's say it's 32 degrees, that'll, when you're skinning a deer, when you're trying to butcher it, it gets hung up on bones. So I'm used to degrees, but that's 23. Let me use the jig here to show you how someone that isn't used to sharpening a knife would find 23 degrees. That's it, 23 degrees. If you're doing the other side, put that there. When it stops, it gives you a feel to where 23 degrees is. So you just sharpen the other side. There's my video. It's a quick tip. Post-it note. You could also make a wedge on a chop saw. I've seen that done on YouTube. But hope you enjoy my video. If you like my videos, please subscribe.